Alright, good day mga ka-XRP. Update tayo ngayon sa kasi grinding natin or AXS grinding natin. So let's start first with AXS. So bumaba ang presyo niya. So $7.43. That's 19.50% na pagbaba. And then moving to our play to rise. So for play to rise, punta tayo sa bounties, daily bounties. And under ng standard board, nakuha na natin 10 points ng Atia. And also 35 points ng Classic. At saka 35 points ng Origins. So far meron na tayong 80 points. And may 0.18 AXS estimated earning. So this is for Monday. Pero wala pa tayong ticket, premier ticket para ma-access yung premier. So standard board lang muna tayo this week. And then moving to our AXS staking. So same pa rin yung AXS natin, that's 33.38219. And meron siyang 246.80 estimated amount. So that's meron tayong claimable rewards bukas or sa Wednesday na 0.16422 AXS. Restock uli natin yan by Wednesday. So yun lang yung update. Thank you.